We are literally lost. Hey guys, so as you guys can see, your girl is in Jamaica, Montego Bay, Jamaica, guys. Yes, she made it. Your girl is here. I don't know if you guys can see. We got here not too long ago. If you guys can see in the previous clips, we went to Juicy Patty. We went to the grocery store. I think it's called, I don't even remember what it's called, guys, but you guys saw the clips. So we went to grocery shopping. We got some Bigfoot, some snacks, some coffee for my mom, just a couple other things. And we also went to Juicy Patty as well too, you know, because it's only right to get a cheese patty when you first touch down. It's only right. So you heard it from me first, okay guys? If you are coming to Jamaica, make sure you stop at Juicy Patty and get yourself a cheese patty. Okay, I think it's like $2.50 or something like that. So I'm pretty much just gonna take you guys along. This is pretty much the beginning of the vlog, so I guess this is a formal intro. Welcome and welcome back, guys. Made by Ann here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and if you're seeing this, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button, and join the fam, because it's a whole bunch of content that's going to be coming. I'm going to be here for 3 full weeks, guys, and the content is about to be through the roof. Tonight we're gonna go to a really nice spot with really good music, festival, jerk chicken, soup, everything, vibes, drinks, and I'm super excited for that, because y'all know my outfits are already planned. Check the haul, and I think by the time you guys are seeing this as well, the swimsuit haul is gonna be up. So I'm super ready, guys, and I hope you guys are ready too.
Space at the back.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, do we look alike? Hey guys, so I try to get away from the music just so, you know, your girl doesn't get copyrighted, but I'm in Jamaica right now. I'm actually at Pork Pit right now, which is one of the top spots for jerk pork, jerk chicken, festival, and all of that. So we're here right now. We ordered 1 bag of food, so we're currently waiting on the food right now. I didn't get to show you guys my outfit, or, you know, pretty much give you guys like an intro to what we're going to be doing, but this is pretty much my outfit. I'm just wearing some silver jewelry. I'm wearing this super cute corset, some jeans. The purse matches the jeans as well. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for the music in the background, but I'll catch you guys when the food comes.
This would be considered box food?
No.
Every time
Box food come with everything in one box. That looks so good with the okra. That's why I'm gonna take long. Cut up okra, I'm gonna cut up okra.
Yeah man, Steve will blow in a man face.
How is it from 1 to 10?
Yes. 10.
10.
baby boy, stay on my mind, but they're my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time, it's easy.
So your girl is finally back from Coral Cliff. Coral Cliff is the name of the restaurant slash bar slash casino. It's super fun. Had me a little drinky drink. So now I'm just getting ready for bed. I'm applying my shea butter, of course. Take my makeup off, wash my face, brush my teeth. So now I am just moisturizing and just doing a little bit of skincare before I go to bed. It's very hot here, and y'all know I have dry skin, so I have to make sure that my face stays moisturized, or I'm just gonna wake up with a whole bunch of dry patches. That Coral Cliff was really lit, guys. If you guys come to Jamaica, make sure you go to Coral Cliff because it's free, it's a vibe. You can get food, drinks, anything. I'm not gonna apply the faded topicals cream. I'm just gonna put that on the problem areas that I have.
Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so.
Voila. That's how they say it. Voila. On tomorrow's itinerary, we have the beach. I'm supposed to be grabbing breakfast at my grandma's house, and we'll see where the rest of the day takes us. But until then, please don't forget to pray, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So of course, you know what? Let's do this intro outside. Felt like it was only right to film the intro out here. We're about to get ready to grab breakfast at my grandma's. The screen's getting really foggy because I don't know, it's a little rainy outside. If you guys can tell, it's drizzling a little bit, but not too bad. So I'm about to get ready right now. And I also wanted to take you guys with me because I'm about to try the Black Girl sunscreen for the first time. So let's test it out and see how it works. So I'm about to test it out right now. Here it is right here. I don't even have anywhere to set this up. I mean, of course I got my tripod, but dang, it's raining. We were gonna go to the beach. What beach? No beach. So we're gonna test it out really quick. Oh, I gotta open this part. Now, I already applied shea butter on my face because that's just rule number 1. I can't go anywhere without my shea butter, guys. Damn. Alright. It literally fades in. Like, no white cast. Y'all know, like when our parents used to rub us down with sunscreen and we used to have this big old white cast when we jump in the water, our skin looking all oily and white and ashy. Yeah, not this. So now I'm gonna finish my makeup really quick. I've been using my faded topicals, as you guys been seeing in the previous clips, to try to get rid of this. So we're gonna see how long it takes to get rid of it. So it's been officially 2 days since I've been using it, and I've been using it every other day. So let's see. Hey guys, so as you guys can see, your girl is ready to have breakfast at my grandma's right now, and then after that we're gonna go to the beach. So I do have my bikini in that bag as well, and of course if you guys want to see the bikini that I'm wearing, check the last video. Exit out of this one, check the last video, then come right back. I will take you guys along with me. I hope you guys are enjoying so far. And the clip that you guys just seen was just pretty much me putting my mom's shoes on because I'm just that girl.
And it tastes like it cooked to you? Alright.
Thank you, auntie.
I feel in my mind. I wanna dance tonight. It's in the air tonight.
So I'm here right now. We already had breakfast, as you guys can see. We had kalaloo and fried dumpling. Waiting to go to the beach. So far, sun is just shining. The weather is sweet. If you know, you know.
I need no control. Would you let me love you? Me love you.
Oh my gosh. Where you found Aki from?
Yeah, your dad down there.
Trying to find them?
Yeah.
I lost my composure. I got love to show you. Would you let me love you? Me love you, baby.
What you meant to do about church today?
Are you okay?
Oh yeah. Come up here, Jenny.
guys, so we're about to leave my grandma's house right now, and we're gonna go to the beach and have a good time. And Brooklyn and Paris gonna have their pizza. Yes, so I'll see you guys when we get there. So bye, Brooklyn. Say bye to the camera, girl. Mommy, is this your favorite fruit?
One of them.
Yeah, man.
Hey y'all, so I'm just checking in real quick. I'm about to eat some dinner. I think she cooked curry goat, rice and peas, and fried chicken. And then I think for the vegetables she has cucumber. So I'll show you guys that in a second. It looks really, really good, smells really, really good. Shout out to my auntie, she's the best chef here. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the vlog so far as I'm enjoying it here, guys, and I'm just super, super happy to be here, honestly.
This is amazing.
Did you need a fork? Yes, he needs a fork. I was gonna put it on television, huh? Cool.
Thank you so much.
You already cracking me.
Thank
You're welcome.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, you rinse it out first and then yes, and then yeah, just so this don't too much curry on there.
Kind of like me now, go have a don't wash.
Exactly. That's been in here this whole time. We use auntie.
I couldn't get any disposable.
You couldn't get none.
I found the street, the house in which she stayed. I'm a Irish for the name on every page. Cause I read to make you fall enough. I'll try again.
Y'all, the little dark spots are slowly but surely going away. This is the first night that I didn't wipe it off in my sleep, so I'm just letting it last as long as I can. But it's been fading slowly, but I know it's gonna go away soon, so I'll keep you guys updated on that. Right now we're just getting ready for breakfast. As you guys can see, we're just gonna eat leftovers from yesterday. I didn't vlog yesterday because we stayed in the Airbnb all day, so there was really nothing to vlog.
The reason
It's gonna take me like a week
if you're gonna do it because I'm not wearing anything.
Mommy, it's fine. I'm not wearing anything either.
Anneli, I am old.
And I am young.
I am
and old at the same time.
This is down, yours up.
Mommy,
There's a difference.
nobody can see that.
Most times with you in a way I can't believe. Tell me what you taste, do you like them just for me? Do you like them just for me? I'm fading on my knees. It's so much that I need. I've got a cheat and everything like I want to take the tea from my heart. If you stand around, it's only I would like. Every time I was close and try to
Hey guys, so I'm currently about to head out right now. We're about to pick up my grandma, take her grocery shopping, drop her back off, and then we're gonna head to the bird sanctuary, which I'm super excited about because that's one of my excursions on my list, and we get to feed the hummingbirds. And if you guys don't know, but it's either the hummingbird or the doctor's bird that is the national bird of Jamaica, so I'm super excited for that. So we're about to head out right now. I'm about to use my Charlotte's Tilbury airbrush flawless Charlotte's Tilbury airbrush flawless setting spray. Guys, I'm really not a setting spray girl. I always feel like if I put something wet on my face, my makeup's just gonna like look wet, so we'll see how it looks. Okay, so I'm currently in the supermarket right now. I got some Bigfoot and we're waiting on our box food right now. I'm honestly looking for razors, guys, because I forgot my wax strips, my flamingo wax strips. If y'all watch my maintenance vlog, y'all know about my flamingo wax strips. So your girl, yeah, need it bad. So I'm about to get it right now. This is the only brand?
This is what they have for females.
So this is the only brand that they have. Hopefully I don't get any type of ingrowns or anything or razor bumps. G's and peas. We can't come around here, sir. Oh my. We're not reached 600 meters yet. Guys, we are literally lost. But he said that there's a bird. So it said that we're here yet or no? My ears is literally popping.
Mom, why do you look so stressed?
We're looking for the bird sanctuary. My ears is popping. Remember I was telling you guys that this is my excursion. Make a left or right? To the right. It's a crazy bumpy road, but we'll be there soon, guys. Oh, them say, Mama, go on now. Wait there. I walk for walk. No, we're supposed to go down, man.
Go down there, see the truck right there.
I'm not down there, sir.
You never know where I come back out here, so. Exactly.
Mama, relax for me. I promise we're good.
See, Blackman's bird sanctuary.
This is how you're going to hold it.
Alright, so hold it to the side.
So when you hold it like this, they come and they sit on your finger. Hold it like this.
I'm going to hold it like this. I don't want them on my finger.
I'm going to look like this before.
I'm going to hold the bottle. But listen, Alright. Listen, all of this little thing here is my daughter that likes it, okay?
Tell them your name and what's the name of this place and where them can find it.
So my name is Kimani and I'm a tour guide at Rockland Sanctuary, and we're located in Anchovy, St. James. You can find us on Instagram at Rockland Sanctuary, no spaces.
Thank you. And then we're having vegetables with it.
Buffalo soldier, dreadlock rasta. There was a buffalo
This is for Ariana. This is a small one.
in the heart of America, taken from Africa.
So this one's mine. I'd only want a little bit in it.
Fighting for survival. When I analyze the stage, to me it makes a lot of sense. How the dreadlock rasta, whoa, the buffalo soldier, buffalo soldier.
Anya, you pick off the fish here, sir? Anya, come here.
Shut up.
Which one of these is come here? Let me one little.
Soldier.
By Chef Alethea.
Stolen from Africa, brought to America.
We're back in the Airbnb right now. I'm about to get ready for bed. I already washed my face and stuff. I'm about to put the topicals on my face right now. It's currently day 3 or 4 of me using it. So far I've been seeing it fade a little bit, so let me know, comment down below if you're seeing this right now and the time that you're seeing it. if you see a difference, because I don't know. I think I do. I'm about to get ready for bed right now. Tomorrow on the itinerary is we're going to Kingston, from Montego Bay to Kingston, and we're leaving out at 8 a.m. So I'm about to shower. See you guys in the morning. Don't forget to pray, and thank you guys for tuning in.
Said you was a buffalo soldier, a dreadlock rasta. There was a buffalo soldier.